The Widow's Revenge, the Soul of Sterling Reserve. The 40th day of mourning. It was the 40th day since Victor Holloway, the founder of Sterling Reserve, passed away. Maya sat in her Hamptons estate, surrounded by guests who saw her only as a graceful accessory to her husband's genius. They didn't know that for 40 years, Maya was the social glue who built the relationships that kept the company alive. In her lap, she held a secret leather folder, Victor's true final wish. The ultimate humiliation. Her son, Grant, showed no grief. He was already acting like the new boss. During the memorial, he cornered Maya and coldly told her she was being evicted from their family home to a small city penthouse. Then came the sting. "You need to stay busy at your age," he sneered. "You can start by cleaning my office bathroom." Grant saw the company as just numbers. He didn't realize he had just declared war on his own mother. The invisible web. That night, Maya didn't cry. Instead, she went to Victor's study and opened her personal notebook, a collection of private contacts of their global partners. She called Charlotte in Brussels, Mr. Sundaram in Sri Lanka, and Monsieur Laurent in France. She didn't ask them to cancel anything. She simply told them, the old world of Sterling Reserve no longer exists. Grant is taking over. These partners, who valued honor over contracts, understood exactly what she meant. The next day, Grant and the CFO, Arthur Vance, were in the office celebrating. They were secretly planning to sell the company to Omnicorp, a soulless conglomerate Victor despised. To make the company look more profitable for the sale, Grant sent rude emails to all suppliers, demanding a 20% discount. He thought they would cave. He was wrong. In the middle of a meeting with Omnicorp executives, the warehouse manager burst in. All shipments had stopped. The ships were turning around. The suppliers refused to work with the new Sterling Reserve. Without the exclusive ingredients, the chocolate, the tea, the caviar, the company was worthless. Omnicorp walked on the deal immediately. Grant and Arthur rushed to the estate, accusing Maya of senioritis and ruining the business. They tried to bully her into signing an emergency power of attorney. Maya calmly handed them the folder she had been holding. It was Victor's real will. He had left 100% of the company's shares to Maya alone. "My place is not cleaning your bathroom, Grant," she said firmly. "My place is at the head of the table. You are both fired. Get off my land." Maya took over as CEO, restored Victor's portrait in the office, and initiated a fraud investigation against Arthur. She traveled to Brussels to meet her friends in person. Months later, she launched a new product named the Charlotte, named after her friend, symbolizing that loyalty and respect are the greatest capital a business can have. She didn't just save the company, she saved its soul.